Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging 8 channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to download and install YouTube app on laptop. So for that, first of all, you need to open a YouTube page on the Google Chrome. So open a new tab on your Chrome and there on the search bar you type in youtube.com. This will direct you to the official YouTube page. Once you're at the official YouTube page, you need to tap on these three dotted lines on the side of your Chrome tab. Then in the option available, you will have this option of install YouTube. You click on it, youtube.com install app. You tap on install. And the YouTube application will be downloaded in your desktop or in your laptop very easily. Here you can see the app. I'm going to cross this and there you can see the application. Click open it. So this is how you can download and install YouTube. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging 8 channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.